In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shopping cart to a website on Payhip. The great thing about Payhip is that the shopping cart is built in. You don't have to paste code or install a plugin. As soon as you add at least one product to your store, the cart appears automatically. So the entire process is really about adding a product correctly and then previewing your storefront to see the cart in action. Start by signing in to your Payhip dashboard. Along the top menu, click Products, then choose the option to add a new product. Payhip will ask you what type of product you're creating. Pick the one that matches what you sell. For this walkthrough, I'll reference a digital product, but the flow is similar for other types. Inside the product editor, begin by uploading your product file. Click the Upload button, find the file on your computer, and confirm. Next, give your product a clear title and set the price right beside it. Keep the title short and descriptive so customers can recognize it at a glance. Now add a cover image. Click to upload. Choose a high quality image from your computer and confirm. This image is what shoppers will see first, so bright, on-brand visuals work best. Scroll to the description area and write a concise summary of what the product includes and why it's valuable. Rich text is supported, so you can use formatting to make key points stand out. Below that, set the product's visibility. Visible means it shows publicly on your store, unlisted keeps it accessible by direct link only, and invisible hides it from customers while you're still working. When everything looks good, click. Add product at the bottom. Give the page a moment to reload and confirm the product was created. Once it's added, go to the top right of your dashboard, open the profile menu, and select Store Builder. Here, you'll see your new product placed on the storefront. Look to the top right of the builder, and you'll notice the cart icon is already there. That's your confirmation that the cart has been enabled automatically. To test the experience as a shopper, click Preview in the top right. Wait for the preview to load, and use the prompt at the bottom to visit the store as a customer. Open your product, let the page load, and click Add to Cart. You'll see a drawer slide in from the right showing the item you just added. That's your live cart working, no extra setup required. And that's it. Add a product, confirm it appears in the store builder, preview your storefront, and use Add to Cart to verify the cart drawer. You're ready to start selling.